Bacteria reproduce very simply and rapidly by doubling their contents and splitting in two. Just one bacterium, dividing every 20 minutes, could produce nearly
5,000 billion bacteria in one day.
Throughout the long and difficult period of Watergate, I have felt it was...
Black hole sun won't and wash away the rain.
No matter where or what we came from, we can all pretty much agree that the world is infinitely small as well as being infinitely large. All matter technically doesn't end, and all life is truly infinite. Seems like a pretty basic principle that we've all been spoon-fed, but when you sit down and think about it, it's seriously mind-fucking blowing. Now, something we are fairly certain of is the Big Bang, a vast expansion of all matter in our universe, well, our visible universe that we can observe. Visible universe, meaning the 13.8 billion years of sunlight from the origin of the Big Bang that has reached out to our little eyes here on planet Earth. Now onto something that a lot of people may not know. I know you've been told your entire life that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. This is not the truth, and I'm going to tell you why. There are two exceptions to this theory. One's going to be slightly disagreeable, and that's called quantum entanglement. This is when pairs or groups of particles are generated, interact, or share a spatial proximity in ways such that are of the quantum state of each particle. They cannot be described independently of the state of the others, or even when the particles are separated by a large distance. Meaning I could have a quantum doppelganger in the galaxy MACS 0647/JD, which is roughly 13.3 billion light years from Earth, and I could be brushing my teeth. The entangled particles would be reacting to one another instantaneously, tremendously faster than the speed of light. And this is called spooky action at a distance, the ability of separated objects to share a condition or state. The other faster than light speed that we know of is the expansion of our own universe. It's mind-blowing. Our universe is moving faster than the speed of light. Scientists dub the unfathomable speed of expansion due to something called dark matter, non-luminous material that is postulated to exist in space that we cannot see, but we can observe. Now, my theory ties in that dark matter is an entanglement of a multiplied bacteria cell. The fuck? Now, if we believe that there are an infinite amount of universes, then there should be some sort of proof. Hard to lay in concrete because we can't even see the edge of our universe, but we may not even have to look that far. Black holes. One of the most bizarre things we have discovered in our universe, and in fact, people were clowned about believing them not that long ago. They were proven by John Wheeler in 1971. When a black hole is created from a massive collapsing star falling in on itself, called a supernova, the density becomes so insane that it eats everything in its gravitational pull, even light. Technically, I'm combining force with speed, which are two separate things, but if light can't escape a black hole, it sounds to me that the hole is eating the light faster than the light speed.
Sound familiar?
Hence, if a black hole creates a multiplied bacteria cell, everyone is slightly different, i.e. multiverse theory, i.e. expansion at a faster rate than the speed of light, i.e. our Big Bang that we can't explain, i.e. a multiplied subatomic particle on a regenerated bacteria cell. Strictly for example purposes, let's say, in my theory, the amount of atoms in one single strand of an E. coli cell. If we assume that its chemical composition is the same as that of a human body, we can calculate the number of atoms of each element. The total number is about this. That is a ton of atoms.
Damn, Daniel!
For just one minuscule strand, and I believe our entire universe is a subatomic particle of one of these atoms, which makes our vast universe as we see it so small and empty. I mean, honestly, it's kind of depressing. Oh God. That really puts a new outlook on micropenis. I can even tie my theory into time travel. time is relative as far as the human mind can comprehend. If our universe is tied in with billions of other universes that are slightly different, but multiplied off of the same bacteria strand, then the strand is almost a mirror image of our universe. But we are all created at different times. In theory, if you were able to time travel, you would be entering another strand of bacteria that was created at an earlier or a later time. Sort of like the multiverse theory. So to put this whole video into basic terms, we could be a subatomic particle on a single atom being recreated from the strands multiplying, and could be created by a dude blowing butt bubbles on a larger scale than we can fathom. Now that is some food for thought.